How about I teach you how to make a healthy sweet treat this Valentine's Day? Okay, I'm excited about this recipe because it can be like a frozen yogurt, but it's dairy-free. All of my recipes are gluten and dairy-free because everything that I teach in the kitchen is promoting an anti-inflammatory diet. I believe inflammation is the root of most disease, sickness, illness, virus today. Therefore, if we can lower the inflammation in our body can stay stronger for us and fight those things off. So all of my recipes promote an anti-inflammatory. I'm excited to share this with you because I also want to show you that we don't have to deprive ourselves of sweet treats. We just need to do a better job at choosing the right kinds of sweets. And this yogurt is absolutely delicious. Another thing that you can do with this recipe is thin it out just a little bit, and it could be a smoothie. You would just add more liquid to it in the blender or food processor. All right, let's get going with this absolutely delicious mango cherry frozen yogurt. In the food processor, we're gonna add our frozen fruit first. So we have a cup of frozen cherries and we have a cup of frozen mango. Now we're gonna add half a cup of plain dairy-free, unsweetened yogurt. We're gonna add a couple of tablespoons of coconut milk, full fat from the can. You would add a lot more if you want this to be a smoothie. Now, to make it just a little sweeter, we're gonna add about a teaspoon or more of maple syrup. Maple syrup is loaded with antioxidants, so it's really actually good for us. A very good, healthy sweetener option for coffee as well. And now we're just gonna do a pinch of sea salt, just a little bit. And that is it. That's it. Now we're gonna add it, put the lid on the food processor and blend it all together. Just in time for Valentine's Day, this is a perfect treat for your kids to help with. Get them in the kitchen to make something fun. It's red, it's sweet, it's cold, but it's also healthy. There's antioxidants and minerals in fruit. There's healthy fats in coconut milk. There's antioxidants in the maple syrup. Healthy eating and cooking doesn't have to be boring and it doesn't have to be bland. So instead of going on a bunch of fad diets, gaining weight, losing weight, gaining weight, losing weight, how about you just try to eat an anti-inflammatory diet? It's a long-lasting way to also improve your health and drop a few pounds if you need to. Keep checking back for more healthy inspiration in your kitchen with me, Shelley Loving, a certified nutrition chef.